Good morning to all. Sir, fifth standard, so fourth lesson, atmosphere, the continuations. Wind, the air which moves the horizontally from high pressure area to low pressure area is called name of wind. So, high pressure area to go to low pressure area. So, is called name of wind. Air never moves in one direction. It differs from place to place and time to time. So changeable one. So this due to rotation of earth. So only based in rotation of earth. So this movement is changeable in air time to time. So place to place. So different types of wind. The planetary wind. This wind blows in the same directions than the air. So same directions, north to south. So changeable one. This wind 100 miles and per hour, 160 meters height. Seashore areas, so height over in 9 to 12 kilometer. Monsoon wind. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic term of mausium, which means season. So monsoon wind is seasonal wind. So Arabic form is derived from Arabic form of mausium, which means of seasons. So summer, winter, autumn, spring. Seasons. Depend in seasons. Monsoon depend in seasons. So monsoon wind is a seasonal wind. Some of changes with wind is changes. So seasonal wind. Types of monsoon winds in India. Southwest monsoon wind, so northeast monsoon wind. So direction of southwest monsoon wind and direction of northeast monsoon wind. Some of climatic conditions within changes. Some monsoons. Difference of types of monsoons. Southwest monsoon wind and northeast monsoon wind. See the picture now. See the picture. So direction of southwest monsoons. So direction of northeast monsoon wind. Now to scale. Some of Arabic Sea to India. Next, so Kolkata made in Indian Ocean. So northeast. So Arabic Sea to Delhi. Go to southwest. Some of difference of some monsoon winds. Once more repeat. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word. The term of word Arabic word. So mausium. So the word is origin of monsoon. So it means of mausium. It means of seasons. Monsoon seasonal wind. The planetary wind. Westline and northeast trade wind. Equator. Southeast trade winds. So waterlines. South pole and north poles. Difference of planetary winds. Equators, middle form. Planetary wind. The polar isn't here. Polar high, subpolar low, water lines, subtropical high, traders, equator low, traders, subtropical high, water lines, subpolar low. Interaction of mid latitude. Some of divisions. July 22, July 12, July 1, July 20, June 15, June 9, May 29. The southwest monsoon wind. Sir, northern monsoon wind. July 1st, 15th June, 10th June, 5th June, 1st June, 25 May and 20 May. 25 May and 20 May. Southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon winds and set of date. So we travel date. Southwest monsoon India. Sir, northwest monsoon India. Southwest monsoon Arabic Sea to Sir Delhi. Sir, northwest monsoon Sir Kolkata to say Indian Oceans. Sea breeze. The sea breeze blows here sea to land in evening. So only for sea breeze, evening breeze. It's called name of other name is evening breeze. Sea breeze blows sea to land. Only for another sea to land in evening. Land breeze. Land breeze blows land to sea in the morning. Only for in morning. So sea breeze and land breeze. Difference. Sea breeze, sea blows. Land breeze, land blows. Sea to land, sea breeze. Land breeze, land to sea. Sum of difference. Sea breeze. Rising of helps to form of clouds. Next, warm air. Rises of warm air. Land to heat. The pressure area. Next, the sea breeze. Cooler air. Rising of helps the clouds and cooler air. Air leaks. Seeing of air spread to along the surface. Next, sea breeze. First, land heats warm air, creating the rising of clouds. So cooler air, sum of creating and singing of air, so spreads of along the surface. Next, sea breeze. Land breeze. The cooler air sings. Singing of air spread to along the surface. Rising helps to form of clouds. So warm air rises. So land breeze. Local winds. Local winds affected the weather. Warm local wind, northwest India. Example for low. So cool local wind, northeast India. Example northwester. Jet stream. Air current in upper layers atmosphere is known as jet stream. It good determine of arrival and departure of monsoon wind in India. So only for currently atmosphere, jet streams. It creating of monsoon wind in India. Cyclone. Other name of hurricane. Cyclone changes the positions, direction with time to time. The speed of wind, the changes of with time. It gives of heavy rainfall. So, here two movement. So, revolution and rotations. So, changing of. So, cyclone. The cyclone changes the position, direction, time to time. So, only for speed move. So, heavy rainfall. So, north to south. So, sum of directions is a movement. Jet stream. Air current upper layers atmosphere known as jet stream. It good determine the arrival of departure of monsoon winds in India. So jet stream only based in some monsoon winds. Hurricane, the cyclone. Hurricane changes. It is a position of direction. Time to time, it's changeable one. The speed of winds also the changes with time. It gives off heavy rainfall. So rotating of two movement. Earthing two movement. So rotation and revolutions. Sum of difference changes lead to cyclone. Clouds. Clouds are large the collections of very tiny drops of water. These are divided with the four types of basis of appearance and height. They are cirrus cloud, stratus cloud, cumulus cloud, nimbus cloud. Cirrus cloud. Cirrus cloud appears like a silver grey fish at very high altitude in the sky. This may not give rain. Not for rain. So only for sky in color silver grey. The fish, comparing fish. Very high altitude. Changeable sum of sky. Silver grey color. This cloud is called cirrus cloud. Not for rain. The cloud, cirrus cloud forming, not for rainy sky. Stratus cloud. See the picture now, everybody. Stratus cloud. The stratus cloud is a grey in color and are spread out. They may give the small shower. Color of grey color. On the words of grey color, small shower. Low rainfall. Small shower. It means of stratus cloud. See the picture. Next, cumulus cloud. The cumulus cloud looks like a buffy white. The cotton is a comparison of cotton, buffy white, and gives convection rainfall. These clouds are associated with rainfall, lightning, and thunder. Cumulus cloud. The cumulus cloud forming is only for lighting. Some of lighting. Heavy rainfall within lightning and thunder. Color of buffy white. Comparison of cotton in sky. Buffy white in sky. Convection rainfall. Next, nimbus cloud. See the picture now. Nimbus cloud is appearance of dark grey in color. Look in picture, dark grey. It gives off heavy rainfall. It is called vertical rain clouds. Rains are vertical forming. Cirrus cloud. This cloud appears of like the silver grey. Fish's comparison. Stratus cloud. The grey color spread out give the small shower. This cloud is called stratus cloud. Next, cumulus cloud. It looks off like a cotton. It's a comparison of cotton. The conventional rainfall. This cloud is associated with rainfall and lightning and thunder, creating of sky. Heavy rainfall, lightning, and thunder at the moment of cumulus cloud, creating of sky. Nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud appears as a dark grey in color. Looking color, dark grey color. It gives off heavy rainfall. It's called of vertical and rain clouds. Vertical forming in rain cloud. Nimbus cloud. Thank you to all. Subscribe the Green Tech channel.